I didn't see it yet.
Eyes focused on the fish. So you want to get a picture of that?
Yeah.
Don't do this, okay?
What are you doing?
I'm looking at my reel.
But what about the fish? You're gonna catch it. You gotta know.
He's going to get away.
How?
Just look at the reel.
That's good shit. Right here, live on the Eldorado. Captain Robin, right hand deckhand man Lucas.
Tire him out, okay? Now we gotta tire him out.
Uh-oh, I'm about to.
This is a big fish.
Uh-oh.
Watch out, hey, clear the back, you guys.
Let me get these lessons.
Cameraman.
Let me get this all here. What's up, boys? The captain's on the front of the boat.
He's coming right in.
Watch out. That's a big one. He's coming right into us.
Uh-oh, watch out, boys. He's coming. Watch out, let me get this on tape. Yeah. Look at him.
Put the ass in. There you go.
That's what I told her. Watch out.
Watch out.
Captain's showing you boys how to do it. Go ahead. No stretching. Hey guys, I'm on your team, guys. Captain's laughing. Captain's laughing and shit.
Hey, use the camera up.
I got you, believe me. I got you.
You guys need another deckhand. I got one for you.
All right, relax, guys. All right, guys.
Get over the line. Lean over there.
Nope, you don't want to get in the way. It's a big one. It's about 6-pounder. All right, guys. A little bit of a stretch, but I think you got him on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah. And hey, Captain. Oh, guys. Robert, what do you want to say? You stretched a little bit. You stretched. Hey, I walked it off. Captain walked it off, but you stretched.
Stretching is good. Sometimes stretching is good.
Good.
Son, it's Willie. Moby Dick. Did the song. No song.
Yep. Billy, don't be scared, dude. I got you on tape, man. You let this motherfucker go, I'm putting you on YouTube.
son.
You on the GoPro, son. Ah! You better not let this motherfucker go after that, sucker. Your ass gonna be famous for letting the fish go.
Yeah, we out here, San Francisco, California, bay fishing. My big boy.
No, wait. Correct that. Ocean fishing.
Ocean fishing.
We ain't bay fishing, man.
Dollar bill right here. Steven took our money already. Uncle, what's up?
You got it back right here.
Well,
if he lands it on a deck, I'll hold the buck.
might not be. Let him get on the boat. He got to get on the boat first.
Tire him out all day, baby. All day.
Let him fight. Don't be.
Yeah, let him go all day.
He's coming towards me, right at me. Look.
That's good.
Good. That's good time. Good time to reel. Good time.
Oh, look at that boy.
Good time to reel. Oh, he's a big one.
Yeah. That's some professional netting.
Don't stretch. Don't stretch.
That's a hog.
Let me plot me one.
You woke me up.
Let him do it. Good job. Yeah, grab that.
Excuse me, guys. Steven.
Yeah. Hey, watch that.
Steven.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a short little fatty.
Sure.
It felt like Willie.
That looked like that one girl I used to date with no credit. Little short fat chick.
Hey, I got $1 from all y'all. Right there. Right there.
Let me get him on GoPro. Go ahead. I forgot to get him on GoPro.
Baby, Slug City, baby.
Billy, oh, the deckhand said Slug City for Tommy Lee. You saw him on CBS, ABC,
NBC.
MSNBC.
I see a glimpse of it.
Oh, it's half the size of the boat, big boy.
I know why he woke up at 4.
And I'm not talking about you either, Tommy. I'm talking about this fish.
Oh, you, Tommy.
How big was I before you started catching this fish?
Don't stretch.
Oh, nice.
Oh, got him. Bring him in.
All right, good job.
Bring him in. Bring him over. Oh, he's fat.
This beast.
Let me see.
That's how you do that right there.
Oh,
That's how you do that right there, baby.
Tommy, what's up, boy?
What's up, boy?
Got you right here.
Boy, right here in the ocean.
A little bit of a charge.
Ripping lips. I think we might have a yak pot.
Oh, shit.
Well, you gotta tell them what boat, bro.
Right here live in Eldorado. With your boy right here. Yeah.
What's up, man?
City, baby!
Oh, shit, boy! God!
Slug City, baby!
There you
Hey, god damn!
Good shit, boy.
Hell yeah! Look at that motherfucker!
That motherfucker is big right there. Weigh that bitch, Lucas. Weigh that bitch over there. Take him over there and weigh him, Lucas. Take him over there and weigh that big bitch. So much for jackpot, boys. You better get your pole. You better get your pole out there, Colin. How many were you out there, boy?
60.
Yep.
Oh, fuck yeah!
36. 36. Don't hate. Yeah, fine. Oh, that's gonna be. Woo!
Awesome, dude.
We got 2 more hours of fishing after that shit. We got 2.
Bro. Slug City, baby!
Let me see, Lucas. Leave it up there. Leave it up there. Holy shit. Where you at, Tommy?
Hey, 36, 30, whatever it is. It's 30 something. Fucking 5 minimum, baby.
That big fish.
You made that fish like an army officer.
Last battery. Fuck it. I'll transfer it when I get home. Thank you, babe. No, thank you.
Oh, yeah, you guys make this shit. Hey, we got it right. We do? Oh, yeah. We do? We do. We do. We do. We do. Who do? We do. Who do we do?
Robert, coach all the way in and I'll net that bad boy, alright? I'll make sure we don't hit another boat. Well, there's not really another boat to hit, so.
Everybody you buy on.